check this out for an intro.
Damn, got us again. Hey, what's up, guys? Rollins here. Here's sponsoring young warfighter Nick Harrison, Soldier of the Month.
All you have to do is be an inch apart.
And this special kid, go on promotion board.
So you had him good.
Yeah, who's laughing now? I got some new paints.
Thumbs follow it, right there, chest out.
And mainly
so
because
cool.
I got gel in my hair.
What are you doing?
I'm getting in a lot of trouble.
You want the tie to cover the very top
Alright.
on your undershirt?
That's all you got? Wow.
Man, get out of here.
Hey, yeah, get out of here!
1.1, right? No, because you put... I put 913018. This marker right here. That's 913018. Is it for sleep area?
So what?
Yo, what's up? Oh. Hey. Yo, what's up? Hey, it's John. We're out here in the Landnav site. Please subscribe to Will Rollins YouTube, and also check out Adventurous Brew, coming soon next year. Don't put that on. Don't you fucking put that shit on.
It's gonna be the intro.
No. Hey, check this out for an intro.
Damn, got us again.
I need the nearest cliff. I'm trying to fall off the cliff.
Hey, what are we doing?
As is.
No, land navigation.
Wow. What are you, is that mustard? Why is there mustard on the board? Jesus Christ.
I'm going shopping while we're out here. All that shit that we
Just so everybody's tracking on the OIC, or Lieutenant Pete Adams going to be your RSO. Sergeant Uriarty is the NCOIC for LandNav. At 02:30 tomorrow morning, we'll give the actual LandNav course brief with task condition standards, your timelines, your scorecards, and we'll go from there. So if there's any help that's needed in between that time, like, just come up and ask. Now's the time to ask, not when you're on the course. Oh my God! 03 right now. It is 01:53. So task condition standard task Q troop soldiers will conduct land nav and successfully find 3 out of 4 points at night and 4 out of 5 during the day. So it's gonna be very limited time at night. So stress you guys out, right? So it's 3 out of 4. So just run to those points if you can. Try to get as many as you can while it's still dark.
Go.
Go! Go!
Jesus. You need me to... I'll help you, son. Alright, so he's on this big ass hill. And I'm tired. Yeah, I left the beer. Just kidding, keep drinking it. Doing we got all our points for night land nav, now we're doing day. Looking for this next point. Do you find it? Oh shit! Hey yo, found it. Just with the last 20 minutes walking up and down a hill, and I found it within 3. Woo! Huh? That's probably how mad they got because they couldn't find it. I don't know. Could be
Yes, it.
You gotta get the last point. We get that shit. Huh? Over there. Oh god. You go out there some bush. Now my hand is on fire. Alright. Help.
Hello.
Help.
Yeah, keep walking. How do I look, sir?
Like a bunch of killers. Oily face killers. Hey, Soldier Medic. Hey.